just to take a little walk. So good morning everyone. Today is 2nd of February 2023. It's 10:30 in the morning. Quickly go to my room and I will take a shower and be ready. My shift is from 1:30 and the bus will come at 1:30 and my shift is from 2, but still I will get ready because I'll not again go back to bed and sleep. I'll do some work and also some editing work and some work I have. So yes, the weather is too cold, so that's why my voice is little down. So I came back and quickly I will change and then I will make the breakfast. Now it's 11:30 in the morning and now I am going for the quick shower. I just had my breakfast and after taking the quick shower I will come and meet you all. After taking a shower I'm finally ready and I mean not ready, but I'm like praying to God. After this I will go get ready and I think it's almost 12:30 in afternoon and within 1 hour the bus will be coming, so I'll quickly go and I'll be ready and then we'll continue the vlog from there. Welcome back. So now I'm ready and I'll go outside and I just changed the jacket. Actually it's a twin jacket, so I wear the other side and now it's 5 minutes to 1:30, so I will go now and I'll show you. To have my lunch. Let's go and have my lunch. Looking through the corridor and going straight because it takes 2 minutes to go to the lunch area. My lunch. So check the visa line, set the vegetables, everything. Dinner break now. Enjoying now this is iced tea, no, apple juice. So now it's 5:20 and in the evening and I came for my break, so I had my dinner and now I will wait for like 10 no I have almost 25-30 minutes, so after that I will go back again to work and that time is the dinner operation, so it is based on the bookings that have been done. So you can see I'm outside now, outside area. That was about today, and so it was a very rapid vlog, so next time I will try to do in details because at the ending time it was in full hurry. I have something done in my nose, so that's why I'm not able to like take this out, but some problem in my nose, so this was a short vlog, so I will try to continue like this every day. So please, thank you so much for watching this vlog. Like, comment, subscribe, share and have a good night.